How to recover deleted Facebook photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, in here, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. After that, press on Settings. After you've pressed on Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down, search for Activity Log, and click on Activity Log. In Activity Log, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, click on Archive. After you click on Archive at the top, in here at the top, you'll find Trash. Before that, if you find anything you're deleted, you can recover from Archive as well. But if you go to Trash, you'll find the deleted ones. Press on the box and then at the bottom, click on Restore. Press on Restore and it will be restored. You can only restore it after or before 30 days. After 30 days, you won't be able to recover anything. This is how to recover deleted Facebook photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.